Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best juicer cold press masticating slow, the IIUIPI cold press juicer machine. Whether you're a wellness enthusiast, a busy professional, or a parent trying to make healthier choices for your family, this might just be the juicer you've been waiting for. Let's start with what makes this juicer a standout in its category. First off, the 5.3-inch wide feed chute is a game changer. It's large enough to handle whole fruits and vegetables, meaning less prep time and more convenience. You won't need to spend time chopping apples or cucumbers into tiny pieces, just rinse, drop, and juice. Inside, the powerhouse 300-watt motor runs at a low 50 RPM. This slow masticating process ensures maximum nutrient retention by minimizing heat and oxidation. It's quiet, too, a huge bonus if you're juicing early in the morning or in a shared space. Despite its gentle operation, it delivers up to 89% juice yield, making it one of the most efficient juicers in its class. Now, let's talk usability. This juicer has been designed with the user in mind. It features a one-piece body design which makes assembly and disassembly a breeze. Paired with a detailed user manual and step-by-step video demos, even first-time users will feel confident from the get-go. A cleaning brush is included to speed up the process, and the BPA-free materials ensure your juice stays pure and safe. Another great touch is the reverse function. It helps unclog the juicer quickly, especially if you're using fibrous vegetables like celery. Plus, it has a built-in safety feature. The motor stops automatically when the lid is opened. That's a smart layer of protection for families with curious kids. Let's talk size. The compact design makes this an easy fit for any kitchen. It sits snugly under most cabinets and its mirror satin finish looks sleek on the countertop. The anti-drip lever ensures you won't be dealing with sticky messes or puddles on your counter after juicing. When it comes to after-sales support, the IIUIPI juicer doesn't disappoint. You get a 30-day trial and a 2-year repair or replacement warranty. That's peace of mind, especially for an appliance that will become part of your daily health routine. And if you're new to juicing, they even provide recipe suggestions to get you started. Before you jump in, though, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. Make sure to open the lid to a full 90 degrees when assembling or disassembling. Also, avoid juicing items like lemons, sugarcane, ice, or nuts. And remember to remove hard or large seeds from fruits like peaches to protect the mechanism. In conclusion, the IIUIPI cold press juicer combines premium features with user-friendly design. It's powerful, quiet, efficient, and easy to maintain, a rare combination in the world of juicers. Whether you're juicing for energy, detox, or just for fun, this machine makes it simple, clean, and efficient. That's it for this episode of Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the best products on the market. Thanks for watching, and happy juicing!